Taylor, I'm somehow even more excited to marry you today than I was 5 years ago when I proposed. You may seem quiet and shy from the outside, but you are a firecracker, full of passion and with an abundance of heart. And your willingness to sacrifice yourself to make other people and their experiences more full inspires me to be better. You make me better every day, and you inspire me to continue to learn and grow and be the best man that I can. I'll be your hype man, your contractor, your plumber, your nomad, your Hoosier, your farm boy, and your city slicker. As long as I can be your husband, I'll be happy. I love you.
Hey, from our very first date, you turned my life upside down in the best way possible. I don't think I ever really understood what it means to love someone until I met you. I don't really consider myself much of a spiritual person. I don't believe in destiny or fate or even soulmates. But sometimes just your existence makes me reconsider. Because it truly feels like you were brought into my life for a reason. Whether our meaning comes from some higher power or it's created by you and me, I believe in our purpose together. You were meant for me, and I'm meant for you. I vow to continue building an intentional world with you, to continue working on myself as an individual, to continue digging deeper within our relationship, knowing I can always understand you better. I vow to continue dreaming up ridiculously far-fetched ideas for our future, and then creating detailed slideshow presentations for you, outlining exactly how we can make that a reality. I vow to continue to learn what you know and to teach what I know, and I vow to love you for the rest of my life.
Taylor and Cade, when I look at you, you have put so much into your relationship, not only with each other, but with every person here today. As you officially start your relationship today, the one thing I could say is don't ever stop investing in each other.
Our friendship has benefited from Taylor being in his life, and I truly think that my life and all of our lives have benefited from you just being in our lives. You've set such an incredible example of how to be intelligent and thoughtful, and I think everybody is just so thankful to have you around. And I couldn't be happier for Cade to find someone like you. It's really incredible. Cheers. I don't have a cup.